Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss percentage, another way of comparing quantities. Here it is Anita's report is 320 by 400. Percentage is 80%. Here is Rita's report is total 300 by 360, that is percentage is 83.3. Anita said that she has done better as she got 320 marks, whereas Rita got only 300 marks. Do you agree with her? Who do you think has done better? Mansi told them that they cannot decide who has done better by just comparing the total marks obtained because the maximum marks out of which they got the marks are not the same. She said, "Why don't we see the percentage given in your report cards?" Anita's percentage was 80 and Rita's was 83.3. So this shows that Rita has done better. Do you agree? Percentages are numbers. Percentages are numerators of fractions with denominator 100 and have been used in comparing results. Let us try to understand in detail about it. Meaning of percentage. Percent is derived from Latin word percentum meaning per hundred. Percent is represented by the symbol like this and means 100. Hundredths too. That is 1% means 1 out of 100 or 100th. It can be written as 1% is 1 by 100 or 0.01, right? And next, percentage when total is not 100. In all these examples, above examples, the total number of items add up to 100. For example, Rina had 100 tiles in all. There were 100 children and 100 shoe pairs. How do you calculate percent of an item if the total number of items do not add up to 100? In such cases, we need to convert the fraction to an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. Consider the following example. You have a necklace with 20 beads in two colors. Here you see there is red, blue and this is total. Right? Fraction is total beads is 20, red is 8, therefore the fraction is 8 by 20. Blue color beads is 12, that it is 12 by 20, right? Denominator 100. How to make? Multiply this denominator by 100 by 100, right? That is you are getting, that is 8 by 20, that is 40 by 100, or it can be written as 40%, right? 8 by 100 into 100%, right? You got it? You got 80 for 40%. Here 12 by 20, 12 by 20 into 100 by 100, right? That you are getting 60 by 100, that is 60%, right? Here you see that you get 40%, this one, and it is got in both way. You can do this way, right? 8 by 20, that is 8 into 5, or 48 20 into 5, that is 40 by 100, that is 40%, right? That means the method used by Anwar can work for all ratios. Can the method used by Asa also work for all ratios? Anwar says Asa's method can be used only if you can find a natural number which is multiplication with the denominator is 100. Since denominator was 20, she could multiply it by 5 to get 100. If the denominator was 6, she would not have been able to do this method. Yes, you cannot do this, right? Now you see here in this case, converting fractional numbers to percent. Suppose the fraction is 1 by 3. You have to change it to percent. That is 1 by 3 into 100%. You get 33 1 by 3%. Right? Here you get, that is the percentage. Out of 25 children, there are 15 girls. That is 15 by 25 into 100%. That is you are getting 60% girls. Right? Convert 5 by 4 to percent. That is 5 by 4 into 100%. That is 125%. Right? In this way you can convert. Converting decimals to percentage. Suppose the decimal is 0.75, that is 0.75 into 100%, right? That is 75 by 100 into 100%, that is 75%. 0.09, that is 9 by 100%, that is 9%, right? That is 9%. And you got 2 by 10, that is 2 by 10 into 100%, that is 20%, right? Now converting percentage to fraction or decimal. Suppose the percent is given, right? 1%, that is 1 by 100, and we change it into decimal 0.01. 10% means 10 by 100, 0.10. 25% means 25 by 100, that is 0.25. 50% means 50 by 100, 0.50. 90% means 90 by 100, that is 0.90. 125% means 125 by 100, that is 1.25. 250 by 100, that is 2.50. Right? Parts always add to give a whole. In the examples of for colored tiles, for the heights of children and for gases in the air, we find that we can add the percent at the percentages we get 100. All the parts that form the whole when added together gives the whole or 100, right? So if we are given one part, we can always find out the other part. Suppose 30% of a given number of students are boys. This means that if there were 100 students, 30 of them would be boys and the remaining would be girls. The girls would obviously be 100 minus 30, that is 70%, right? Now, for with estimation, this is estimation, right? Percentages help us to estimate the parts of an area. What percentage of the adjoining figure is shaded? We first find the fraction of the figures that is shaded. From this section, the percentage of the shaded part can be found. You will find that half of the figure is shaded, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 100%, that is 50%. Therefore, we can say that 50% of the figure is shaded. Use of percentages. Interpreting percentages. We saw how percentages were helpful in comparison. We have also learned to convert fractional numbers and decimals to percentages. Now we shall learn how percentages can be used in real life. For this, we start with interpreting the following statements. 5% of the income is saved by Ravi. 20% of Mira's dresses are blue in color. Rekha gets 10% on every book sold by her. What can you infer from each of these statements? By 5% mean 5 parts out of 100, or we can write it as 5 by 100. It means Ravi is saving rupees 5 out of every 100 that he earns. In the same way, interpret the rest of the statements given above. Now converting percentages to how many. Consider the following example. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children liked playing football? Here, the total number of children are 40. Out of these, 25% are like playing football. Meena and Arun used the following methods to find the number. You can choose either method. Arun does it like this. Out of 100, 25 like playing football. So out of 40, number of children who like playing football, 25 by 100 into 40, that is 10. Meena does it like this. 25% of 40. 25 by 100 into 40, that is 10. Hence 10 children out of 40 like playing football, right? In this way you can use the different methods to solve percentage, and we know that percentage is also one of the quantities which we can compare other items or any number, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.